do the right thing for the Republic of South Africa. Release the report. We are here, we will make sure if they do not release the report, we will seek legal remedy. Amandla!
Iinhlangano eziphikisako zibumbene zakhuluma ngalizwilinye ukuthi zimbekela amalanga alikhomba kwaphela umjaphethe woMvikeli woMphakathi bona akhuphe umbiko malungana nendaba yePhala.
The Executive Members Ethics Act stop protecting Ramaphosa and start protecting the people of South Africa.
Iinhlangano ezi zithi ukufihla kwakamengameli ubulelese Phala kunyefisa ukuthembeka kwakhe emsebenzini wakhe.
We are unapologetic. We believe that when a president of a country who believes in a constitutional democracy supposedly takes an oath of office,
i-EFF ithi ukukhutshwa kombiko lo kuzokwenza bona iParliament ikhona ukwenza umsebenzi wayo.
Release the report. Parliament is busy there trying to make sure that Ramaphosa is held accountable. Your report will be more effective to help us to hold him more accountable in Parliament.
Kanti ikhophi ikhuthaza abalandeli abasemachini bona bangayifuna lapho ikhambe khona ihlangano ebusako.
You people must rise and fight wherever you see ANC, wherever you see their colors. You must say, away with ANC, away.
uGcaleka uyamkela incwadi enililo.